Hello friends, this is Umesh Mari. Welcome to my channel An Engineer's Guide. So guys, in this session we will learn how to create an attributes in AutoCAD. So guys, before moving forward, please subscribe to my YouTube channel which will be free for you but will give me a lot of motivation to create such useful videos for you. So guys, while doing a detailing of drawing, most of the times we require that attributes. So how to create it? So you just simply have to type a command att, which is nothing but attribute define. Here it is mentioned as tag number. Just give some name. I'm just giving it as a 1. Then you have to justify the position of your attribute. I'm just selecting it as a middle center. Text height whatever you want you can keep. Then say OK. So here you can see that 1 is appear on the screen. Now just take one circle or any shape you want. I'm just taking a circle for better understanding. Okay. Now select both circle and that attribute and create a block of it. Just give some name. Say OK. Just give some name to tag. I'm giving it as a 1. Now just copy that attribute to understand its use. Now I want to change that attribute as 5, 7, 10. So guys, here you can change if your attributes you don't find it is a proper, then you can change from here also. You can change text height, you can justify the positions also. Here are some properties also. You can change the color, line weight, many things are there. So you can search all the things. So hope guys you got some value from this video. So guys, please keep supporting. Thank you.